you accept you're sick, embrace you're going to be sick, you will be sick. But even if you feel sick, no matter how bad, you've got to keep on going. I'm going to be sick, eh?
I thought it was all in your mind.
I'm going to be sick.
Yes, Max, I do have COVID. 5 years later, I've caught the plateau. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to take one for the team today, and I will not come in.
God.
Fuck, mate. I'm pinged in like 4 days, eh? Do not get too close. Temperature was like 40 last night, but it's like 37.4 this morning. Fuck, I feel this shit.
So, how was your weekend getaway anyway?
I got an Airbnb just to stim, cost me like $2,300, and I fucking COVID the whole time. I didn't pick one.
Do you think that this is possibly a little bit of karma for you gloating only 3 days ago that you'd never had COVID before?
No, it's because I stayed in an Airbnb that had a place called Plateau underneath where I was staying, and it trans-infestated me. A few of my friends messaged me and they say, the one time I went away, like I never go away, you haven't been away in years, the one time I go away, and I'm staying on Plateau. Unbelievable. Like, it was like a fucking Trojan horse, man. A bit of a fucking shambles on her hands. I need to take my meds. I'm like, these pills are chilly. I looked at my hand because I'd Panadol on the other hand, and there were 3 sleeping pills in my hand, and one of them had been half consumed. I guess with the sleeping pill, could be a smooth pain. Like, I only take 2 ADHD meds. Why have I taken 3 of these? And I'm like, the plot has been fucking lost. We'll see what happens on this run. I'm either going to die, or I'm going to unlock something that could potentially be emotional. Well, I'm going to go now. Bear with me, I'm just warming up. I'm fucked, man. I'm gonna fall over, eh? I'm gonna keep on going, Max. Keep on going.
I thought it was all in your mind.
I'm gonna be sick. Oh, man. I do not feel sick. I don't feel sick. I don't feel sick. Financial goals are not going too well this year because I parked in the short-term parking and left the car there for 4 days. It was like $270. Something like that, something stupid. I'm not impressed, eh? I was packing lunch for the team this morning because normally if I'm sick I'll still come in and spread it. I always go to office sick. I have to be in the office, where else would I go? But new year, new me, I'm thinking of other people.